So this cable here is being stripped from the splice kit. So I lightly score the outer jacket and just kind of work that outer jacket out. You don't want to go too deep with that first cut and damage the braided wire there. Next, you want to pull that cable through the braided wire, work it through there. I make it look like it's more difficult than it is. It's really not hard to do. I laugh every time I watch this video. Anyway, you just kind of clean it up afterwards. From there, you're going to get your dimension from the instructions, and you're going to cut that inner sleeve. And like I said, just score it lightly, and you can bend it back and forth, and it'll break at the score. And remove it. And guys, there's tons of ways of doing this. This is the best way I found. What works for me the best. From here, you got to get them bus wires out of the way. I kind of cut an M there. You can see it. I grab the center at that point with the needle nose pliers, and with other pliers, I just pull back the bus wire, and it separates pretty easily there. From there, I just start cleaning things up. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and cut that inner core. And that is it. Quick and painless, guys. Dimensions, again, this is not for every kit, so please read your instructions.